What made you think of this project?
We were someday ran out of toilet paper and we thought of this thing that just made it up so we could run out of toilet paper.
How long did you guys work on this project?
2 days. 2 weeks.
Now, did you test it extensively, or?
Somewhat. We tested it, but drove it around.
No, the battery went dead.
You tested it until the battery went dead. Have you had any manufacturers contacting you about this idea? Or? Manufacturers.
I like that brand.
What else can you tell me about? So you had a couple of trials before you got it right. What do you do with your foot? What? Ah, okay. So does that come in handy when you're laid up on crutches? Not good at it. Turn the camera on. Give another shot.
Say thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
So what made you think of flavored Play-Doh?
Because kids always try to eat it and stuff, so we thought it'd be a lot better if they could actually eat it, and it would actually taste good for them.
So did you test this? Did you feed it to some kids, or?
Our brothers. Yeah.
Okay, what did they think of it?
They liked it. Yeah.
I'm assuming these are younger brothers?
Yes. Yeah.
Did you tell them you were testing a project, or did you just tell you, here, this is good?
Yeah, I told them we were testing it, and they chunked out of it.
So what was their favorite?
This one.
Which is?
Peanut butter.
All right.
I can't imagine, but yeah, I tried
We don't have that one, so we don't have that one. Just give it to
Have you tested it?
We haven't tried it yet because if you put too much pressure on or too much weight in the middle, the lock doesn't completely hold it, so you put too much weight on it and it'll fold down, but not all the way. So when you start, you're going to have to press it really fast, and then you have to keep holding your feet, like right here on each side.
So it's still got a few bugs to work out, huh?
All that I think we have to do is we have to get like maybe a lock right here, and then I'm going to start it.
Oh, was it?
So how long did you work on this from start to finish, from when you first thought of it?
We didn't work on it right away, but yesterday, the day before, that's all that we did.
Okay, just a couple of days. Are you going to keep working on it and get it perfected?
It's me!
What makes you think you're coming up with this? Wheels on front make it more stable? Or? Oh, from the time you first thought of it, you got it done though. How long? 2 weeks of planning, 2 weeks of work? There are 2 hours of work? So is this going to be the bicycle you ride this summer?